Summer is a great time to take a vacation and travel, and sometimes your pet may be coming along. Lisa Lasik joins us now from Animart with Wally.
Yes, this is Wally.
Oh, to explain how to make sure your pet stays safe and healthy when traveling away from home.
Yes.
Very important to know, little Wally is just melting all of our hearts here at NBC.
Yes, he is. He's doing quite a good job. As far as traveling, which happens a lot in the summer, if you decide to take your pet with you, first and foremost, get a tag with your name, your phone number, and your address on it, just in case something unfortunate were to happen. One of the most important things with having your pet in a car at any point is the heat. It can get very hot in a car very fast.
Yes.
So we need to make sure that we're taking very good precautions. And quite honestly, if you're doubting whether or not it'll be too hot or not, just don't take any chances.
Right.
And, you know, it's very unfortunate when we see dogs in cars in a parking lot.
Right. And one thing to remember, you know, even look at Wally here. He has so much fur on him, and it gets warm. My dog gets very warm very fast in the sunshine, especially.
Yes.
So you just have to be mindful of that.
That's right. And even a dog like Wally, you even have to worry about when they're out in the sun, sunburn.
Yes.
One other thing, I did bring a crate. I don't know if you can see this, but this is actually kind of a nice one. It starts off small. It can get big, and you can put them in there, and then you can hook them up to the seatbelt in your car.
Oh,
so
very
it keeps them very safe and secure if you are going to travel with them, and it's very well ventilated. But if we're going to go into heat a little bit, I guess another option, we also have bandanas that actually have bowls in them so that you can pour water in there.
That's a good idea.
We have cooling shirts that are actually, this thing right here.
Oh, okay.
You can actually make it cold, and you can put it around them to keep them cool. And then in summer, you've got water. We've got life vests, of course.
Oh, yes, very important.
And then I guess just a quick hit in 4th of July. I've had so many neighbors that have lost dogs during the 4th of July fireworks.
Oh, fireworks. Dogs are definitely scared of fireworks.
They are. It's really good to make sure your dog is safe indoors and that you know where your dog is at all times and that they're calm and not anxious. So one thing, scary time.
Yes, especially with the hot weather tips too. One thing, do not over-exercise your pet. I think that's important, and I even fall victim to this. Sometimes I take my dog outside and I just want to run her, so she feels good and she's nice and tired for my afternoon nap, and it's just too much sometimes, especially with the heat. So you have to really be careful with that.
That's right.
Okay, and then also, you know, make sure to wear that sunscreen or insect repellent product too.
Correct, yes.
Because, you know, dogs are down there in the water, close to all the mosquitoes, and you have to be careful.
Yep, and they can transmit things to dogs too, so we need to be really careful that the dogs are protected.
And one more thing, car travel tips. Take a series of short drives first, and then gradually
get used to it, right? Otherwise, they can get sick, and they can get really anxious. They can vomit, and that's never going to be a good thing for anybody.
Okay, is Wally available?
Wally is available.
Okay.
So, Animart East Side, Madison.
Animart East Side. Wally's going to go quick. Thank you so much for being here, Lisa. We'll be right back after this.